Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Political stakeholders in Delta State have called on Deltans to support the administration of Governor Sheriff Oborevwori in his bid to transform the oil-rich state. The call was made on separate occasions in Asaba, the Delta State capital, by Senator Stella Omu, a chieftain of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), and Emeka Bidoku, state chairman of the Inter-Party Advisory Council (IPAC).
Delta State, under the leadership of Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, has seen rapid infrastructure renewal with the completion of critical projects initiated by the immediate past administration, as well as the approval of high-impact projects and programs across the length and breadth of the state in the last 5 months. This is no doubt a fulfillment of the campaign promises of Governor Oborevwori contained in his social contract with Deltans, otherwise known as the M.O.R.E agenda, which seeks to bring about meaningful development, opportunities for all, realistic reforms, and enhanced peace and security in Delta State. Looking at the achievement of Governor Oborevwori, distinguished Senator Stella Omu told Inside the Niger Delta crew recently in Asaba that the governor came ready and prepared to drive the wheels of development in Delta State.
We have a governor now who knows how to invest both human and natural resources for the development of this country. You can see that he has started very, very well.
Aside from the incumbent administration's infrastructure renewal drive, among which is the construction of 3 flyover bridges and road expansion project around M.O.R.E axis of the state by Julius Berger Nigerian PLC, Governor Oborevwori had made available palliative measures to cushion the economic hardship caused by the fuel subsidy removal by federal government. This includes payment of an additional 10,000 naira for 3 months to public workers, payment of outstanding promotion arrears, and the introduction of shifts in the state civil service, as well as a 25% reduction in acceptance fees payable by new students in all Delta State-owned universities. The chairman of the Inter-Party Advisory Council (IPAC) in Delta State, Emeka Bidoku, is convinced that the governor is on track with his people-centered project and programs.
The good thing is that most of the projects that are ongoing, they have completed them and they've commissioned them. And we're hoping that more projects will spring up. So far so good, he has done creatively well.
Honorable Bidoku called on Deltans to join forces with the administration of Governor Oborevwori in tackling socio-economic and environmental problems that have bedeviled oil-rich Niger Delta states over the years.
The time of politics is over. Election is over. This is the time to work. I'm calling on all Deltas, as the IPAC chairman of Delta State, that we should come out and support our own governor, Right Honorable Elder Sheriff Oborevwori, to move the state forward.
The Oborevwori-led government has also moved to bolster socio-economic prosperity in the state with the recent assurance to local and foreign investors of a peaceful and investment-friendly environment for businesses to thrive, as well as the ongoing talks with multinational oil companies like Shell and Chevron on the need to recommence full-scale operations in the state.
Inside the Niger Delta,